How can I improve the accuracy of a Retrieval-Augmented Generation RAG system without fine-tuning? Answer: to increase the accuracy of a Retrieval-Augmented Generation RAG system without fine-tuning, it is essential to first measure the system's accuracy. This can be done by using frameworks such as RAGs, ARIES, and Bench to evaluate the system's performance. Once the accuracy is measured, there are several places to look to improve it without fine-tuning. One crucial step is to ensure that the data is being parsed and loaded correctly. This includes checking for any missing information in documents such as tables or images, which may be missed by certain data loaders. Additionally, the chunking method used to split text into segments can significantly impact the system's accuracy. For instance, using sentence splitting or recursive chunking can improve the system's ability to store text in an embedding vector for retrieval. Another important aspect is the indexing and retrieval patterns used in the system. This includes constructing multiple indexes for different types of user questions and routing user queries to the appropriate index using a language model LLM. Various retrieval strategies can also be employed, such as using cosine similarity with an index, BN25, custom retrievers, or knowledge graphs. Re-ranking of results from the retriever can also provide additional flexibility and accuracy improvements. Furthermore, query transformations can be used to break down more complex questions, and even changing the LLM system prompt can drastically change the system's accuracy. It is essential to take the time to experiment and measure the changes in accuracy that various approaches provide. Remember, models like the LLM or embedding model are merely a part of our RAG system, and there are many ways to improve the system to achieve high accuracy without fine-tuning.